in Disneyland. Actually, we're going to the resort. We're going to DCA first, but we're here at Disneyland.
I have never been emotional like this on camera before, I don't think. But I am so excited because I said if I ever came to Disneyland, I needed to stay at Grand Californian. And we are here. I'm so excited. Josh ran away, so he couldn't get any of this on video, so I have to do it myself. And now I'm gonna mess up my makeup.
What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Disney California Adventure. This is crazy. This is the first time in a long time that we've done anything related to like somewhat of a rope drop, even though this is extra magic hour.
Yes.
Here at Disney's California Adventure, we are heading to Radiator Springs
Yes.
Racers because that's what we want to ride.
We figured this would be the perfect time to do that because the park's not open to the public yet.
Right.
So only resort guests, and we're gonna try and hurry.
So just like any other park that you've ever been to, usually they'll let you in early, and then you have a rope, and the rope's right up here. So we're gonna sit here and wait till the park officially opens up at 8 for resort guests, and then we're going in.
We're tipping traffic.
Only the best. Big up. Oh, yes. Now you will have the chance to make this the most glorious race of your life.
We're gonna race. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Look, we're going into a cave.
Congratulations.
This friend's way better than a trophy. Can't talk with a trophy. Can't go tractor tipping with no trophy. You can't. Later. I'm done.
I'm gonna cry after every ride. I loved it. That was awesome.
What a great first ride for being here in Disney California Adventure.
It was awesome.
It was great.
I loved it.
I don't think I got very good B-roll at all on it, just because first time you ride it, you're just all over the place trying to find, you know, what to actually shoot and what to do. But it was great. It was amazing. It's way better than Test Track. Way
100 times better.
When people say, "Oh, they should bring that to Walt Disney World," I see why.
Oh my gosh, yes, that was awesome.
Fantastic. And it's not like it's the same track either.
No, it wasn't.
It's a different track.
Yeah.
But fantastic.
I mean, it did start out slow and then it got fast when you raced at the end. But the racing, you didn't just go like around in a circle. You like go up and down and
it was a lot of fun.
and you're like going through the mountains and
it was good.
Oh, that was so cool. We just rode Guardians of the Galaxy Mission Breakout, which is sort of like Tower of Terror, because it's actually used to be Tower of Terror here, but they changed it, redid it. It was actually really cool. I was impressed by the screens that they had in there of all the different characters and like them talking, and I don't know, it was really cool. It was very different, but I really liked it. And I'm not like a huge Guardians of the Galaxy fan. I love Marvel, but I haven't really watched these movies that much, and it was really good. I liked it. And while we were in line, this is already gonna have happened, but I don't care, I need to tell you anyway. We had 30,000 subscribers right before we got on the ride, and that was super exciting. We are about to get on the Incredicoaster. Gotta put my ears away so they don't blow off. And for some reason I didn't realize this until like right now. There's a loop in this ride. I'm excited.
So we just got done riding the Incredicoaster, which was really great.
It was really fun. It was way better than I expected. Like, I knew that there was a launch, but I just did not realize how fast that thing was gonna go. And I liked the incredible theming on the ride. I mean, obviously we've never been on it before it was the Incredicoaster, but I mean...
It was still fun.
I was like, I didn't know it was like a steel coaster. I thought it was wooden just based on how it looked.
It looks like a wooden coaster, but it's actually steel. So I think the only thing that I didn't like was just that the noise, like the music and stuff.
Yeah, the audio was loud.
Was so loud. I had to like keep my head forward to try and not have it like blasting my ears. But other than that, I mean, it's like a fantastic roller coaster. Definitely look forward to riding it again.
Oh yeah, it was good. Oh, and you could smell the cookies.
Oh yeah, you could.
The one part you could smell the cookies. That was cool.
We're gonna go ride Toy Story Midway Mania now.
And it's now time for Josh to get his butt kicked on Toy Story Mania.
Guess what? I won! Woo! That's me. Josh. That's me. I won. I beat Taylor. Because I'm just that good.
I'm just gonna edit this out later so nobody ever knows that Josh beat me.